Can we just talk about it? Can we just speak about this creature for a hot minute? What the fuck is going on here? What is this thing? Like, is this a bird or a squid? The world may never know. I think it's a squid. He said peekaboo. You hear it? What is he doing in there? This Corsair drip, by the way. What is this fucking thing? What is this, a fucking... Is this a golf club? What is this? What is this mouse? It's a fucking golf club. What is this? Is that like a wrist rest? Is this a sander? Oh, it's a headset! Oh, shit. You're right. It's like on the desk and it... Listen, I'm not a fucking degenerate, so when I put my headset, it has a little thing that clips onto my desk, and it sits like this, on the edge of my desk. I don't just put it on my fucking desk. Yeah, who puts it down like that? Precisely. I guess if your bird flew over to you and you needed to put the headset down quickly so he doesn't eat it, maybe that's the excuse. But typically you would just put it on top of your desk. Actually, no, you guys are all wrong. This could be big five brain shit, where he put it down that way so that the squishy part that this parrot could do the most damage to, the squishy part that he would pick at and rip apart, is on the table, so it's less likely to be bit at, and you might have the reaction time to save it if the ringneck parrot comes through to clap your cheeks. So perhaps that's the actual strat, and we're all wrong. But it certainly looks like a golf club here. Fuck off. Oh, those are kisses, by the way, I think. What is he doing? Also, I'm going to keep the title Drug Talk, Plug Talk, because birds are basically a drug, and they're all on drugs as well, so. The light is a distraction, true. Oh shit, an epic battle. Let's watch this again. Ringneck parrots are so fucking cute. The way that their pupils dilate all the time, whenever they like they think certain ways or make certain actions, is so cute. Oh my god. Especially when they do the thing where they look at a thing and they go, they make like a noise and they back up. They like go over to a thing and then they back up. It's like a habit or a ritual or something. Oh lottie coming. Little baby parrotlet. This is a child. This is a tiny baby. Ow! Oh! The fuck is this thing? Is this a dove? Oh! Relax! Hey! Unnecessary roughness, dude. Red card. Turnover on downs. Like that! Oh shit. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, now he's good, never mind. Oh, it's this guy! I know this guy! They have a YouTube channel. He's very smart and very talented young bird. He's going shopping. There's a nice selection of colored rings here. I hear this place has the best colored rings. Place him. Wait, who is making the loud beep? Wait, who's making the loud beep? It's like she's scanning him at a grocery store. Ready, watch. That'll be $20. Okay, $32. Plus $12. Another $13. Quite a steal, to be honest. Very inexpensive. I love this, dude. Cockatoos are crazy, by the way, especially umbrella cockatoos. What is this squid doing? Why does it have feathers? Can we just talk about it? Can we just speak about this creature for a hot minute? What the fuck is going on here? What is this thing? Like, is this a bird or a squid? The world may never know. I think it's a squid.
Andy, what's wrong? Hi, bird.
Hi, bird. Relax. This is a sun conure. This is one of me. I don't think I would be a sun conure. I think I would be a green cheek conure, but, you know, he's eating that juice. It's a baby. Also, I don't know if anybody knows or cares. This is my favorite genre of cockatiel. The typical one you'll see is the one with the red target, the kissing target on their cheek, and then the yellow antenna in the back. But this one is just grayscale. Grayscale cockatiel, I think, is the sleeper favorite. I think birds as a creature are criminally underrated. Like, sure, cats are cute, dogs are kind of cute too, but like birds have so much more personality. They can mimic your speech. They're super high maintenance. You probably shouldn't have one as a pet. You can cuddle with your bird, Magic. You're full of shit. They're just all around super cute, very nice. You can cuddle a bird. You just, you know, have to be very careful because they're fragile creatures with paper bones and hollow skin. Don't antagonize him. What is he doing? Oh shit. What has he done?
Sorry. I just walked in the door.
This is the good shit, by the way. I believe this is jalapeno. I think on Instagram they're jalapeno pancake. Look at him go. Are you ready for this? I don't think it's jalapeno pancake anymore. Unless they moved. Look at him go. He jumps around. How does he do it? This is my favorite thing about cakes. Other birds can do this too, but cakes are known for having really thick thighs, and they jump around a lot. Oh, also, a cute thing about cakes, they're okay once you gain their trust with being on their backs a lot, which is a very rare thing for a bird, considering they're very small, very fragile, have to look out for predators in the wild. You don't often want to expose your soft underbelly to people, especially a massive, gross-looking, featherless bird like this guy. But, you know, they do it. And they play a lot and shit. It's very cute. Look at him. He has a bottle cap. Wait, let me go back. I need to find this. I'm sorry. This is important work. That's the good one. That's the good shit. Are you ready? Look at this dumbass. I wish this was higher quality. So, this is the alien face, okay? It's when, so usually you see a bird from the side angle, because that's where their eyeball is, and you want to look them in the eyes, of course. But you can't do it in both, because they have fucking antennae on the sides of their heads that seek anything out. Any seed in a 5-mile radius. Any seed, any food that they can find, that's what they're gonna do. If you see them like straight up, their dumbass eyes are on the sides of their heads. It looks very alien. This is the alien face. Oh, he stopped. Sorry. Oh, he's done. That's the alien, by the way. This is a good example. Look at this disgusting creature. What is this? What in the hell is this creature? What am I looking at? Ugh. Is this a squid? Also, pro tip. If you can make noises and you're around a bird, try to mimic the noises they make, because that's how birds, you know, do the damn thing. It's very nice, very cute, very fun to try to mimic these birds. I've done it a lot. I can make a wide range of noises. It's a lot of fun. because I've lived with birds for the majority of my life. If not all of it, actually. I also mimic their movements too. I'm literally a bird.
You're a chicken.
This creature is possessed. That's the Halloween theme, I think. It's like a scuffed remix of the Halloween theme.
Good boy! You happy boy!
Do you see his weird tongue, by the way? Jesus. Birds are notoriously clean and tidy eaters, by the way. If you didn't know. He's eating green beans. Thank you. This dumbass thinks it's a real bird. Oh, I need to preface this, by the way, with the following PSA from Conure. Don't get a bird, 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 don't get a bird. Do not get a bird. They are a lot of work, more work than you'd think. If you think walking your dog once a day or once every other day is difficult, do not get a bird. You need to be with them all the fucking time, because in the wild, they are typically with a bunch of other of themselves. And if they don't get that kind of interaction in their day-to-day lives with you, if you neglect them, etc., it leads them to bad, unhealthy, and self-destructive habits that can slowly but surely make their lives a living hell or have them die. Do not get a bird if you do not have the time to be with them. I know they're cute. I know these videos really make them look adorable, but they can also be really mean. They can also be really difficult to work with. They can also be really difficult to train because they are birds. They are independent. They are former dinosaurs. So you need to be very careful. Do your research. If you are even considering to get a bird as a pet, do not do it is the general rule. It takes a certain kind of person to have a bird as a pet, and I can almost guarantee you that if you're on Twitch watching shit like me, this no-name streamer, you do not have what it takes. Unfortunately, there are a lot of birds that have been kept as pets who cannot be released into the wild because they would die immediately. And there are so many that need loving homes in shelters, etc., but not everybody can have a bird. Not everybody should have a bird. Most people shouldn't have a bird. I am completely pro-bird, by the way. My name is literally a genre of bird, and I'm telling you, this is basically a primary source. Don't do it. Uh-oh. Oh, no. I see disaster. Even the cameraman's getting... Disaster strikes. Even the camera, you can see the camera person was getting ready because they knew what was coming. See how they panned the camera out so there's more on this side? They knew. They knew what absolute disaster was about to occur.
Where'd you go? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Huh. True, not emotion.
Woo. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
What does he have? Oh no! He's got a cone of shame. Look at this cone head motherfucker go. You get bonus dog as well. Don't do it. He preened him. I think my favorite thing about birds is the way that they walk on the ground. It's just like tap 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 tap. And they move like this. Because of the way that it do. It's very cute. Why does he ignore him? It's because he has a cone on. I actually don't know why this cone is on this bird. I assume it's because there is some shit going on where they don't want the bird to be able to pick at its feathers or skin directly below where the cone is. But also, yikes! Why is this foot in my face? Disgusting. But go on.
Girl. Yeah. Woo! Who's there? Yeah.
Rest in peace. It'll never be found again. Also, an all-white Indian ringneck. Kind of cute. It's like a shiny Pokemon. So I really like watching bird videos because I feel like I have a lot to say on the topic. I know it might be shocking to some people that Conure would have a thing or two to say about birds, but my YouTube is largely political, though I'm trying to move it away from being all political. Mostly so I could just pump out more fucking content. Because as it would turn out, all politics all the time is kind of difficult for a young Conure. I'm still going to do it. Fuck it. Fuck what you heard. It's what you hearing, okay? And what you're gonna hear is me looking at bird videos on YouTube. Fuck with me. Thanks so much for watching. Like if you like, sub to get into the club, and for the love of God, clap that bell's cheeks. Follow me on Twitter and Twitch at ConyreCC. Check out my patreon.com/ConyreCC. Join my Discord, conure.cc/Discord. You don't know how much I appreciate your support. To the right of me is the link to subscribe to the channel, and to the right of that is even more videos for you to watch. Love y'all very much.